Hello guys, welcome back to Deco World. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to create sound waveform or audio waveform like this. In timeline, I have selected one video and this is nothing but one adjustment layer. I have used this for color correction. You can see here. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Select this video and replace with After Effects composition like this. Let's call it as a waveform. Create one solid layer. We'll call this waveform. Now for this layer, we will add the audio spectrum effect. In audio layer, we will select our source, that is our video. Start frequency, we'll give it 1. You can see here. Let me off this so that we can see waveform clearly, for which we have to click on this composite on original. You can see here frequency bands movement. Increase this band for 120 and maximum height increase to 10,000. Thickness for 3. Softness, do it as per your requirement. Softness difference you can see here. We'll set it to 5%. Inside color will make it to white, as well as outside color also will make it to white. That's fine. This audio muted here. Let's click on this audio. Now you can see here, it is responding according to our audio. Superb. You will find here different waveforms. Let me click on this. In this side option, suppose if we select side A, waveform shows on upper part. Suppose if we select side B, it shows to lower part. But in side AB option, it shows in both sides, as same response will find in analog lines like this. For side B option, it shows a lower side. For side AB, it shows at both sides. For side A, it shows upper side. In analog dots, and nothing but it shows dots waveform like this. Digital waveform is good to me. Let's go back with digital waveform. Let me make some changes here. Frequency bands will set it to 150. If you want to raise waveform height, then set it to 1 to 000. Looking good to me now. We'll see our audio with our footage. We'll change the position of this waveform right here. Yeah, this looks fine. Suppose if you want to add the glow for this, search for glow, then drag and drop this effect to this layer. In this glow section, set the intensity to 5. See here, you find the glow effect. Okay, if you want to change the color of this waveform, then you can do it by making color A, select the color whatever you want, and color B we selected magenta, and glow intensity will increase it little bit, and then color based on we can see here. Now you find the waveforms with glow effects. Okay, let me check the preview for this. Yeah, it's looking superb. I am showing for the demo purpose. So if you want, you can go through the glow effect. But I not want this glow effect, so I am adding this effect. Okay, finally, let me see our output. Yeah, superb. This is looking good for me. I hope this tutorial is very helpful to you. If yes, give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.